friends, Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you a fun recipe for frozen banana pops. So for this recipe, you'll need bananas, as many as you'd like to make, skewer sticks or popsicle sticks, your favorite kind of yogurt, a plate with parchment paper, and toppings like chopped nuts or even sprinkles. So let's get started. So first, you want to start by cutting your banana slices with your parents' permission. So you can cut them in halves like this, or even make them into bite-sized pieces. Then you want to stick them on your skewer sticks or popsicle sticks like this. Next, you want to go ahead and cover your banana pieces with yogurt. That looks pretty good to me. So go ahead and put it on your plate with parchment paper. And once you have all your bananas covered, you can start decorating. So you can use things like chopped nuts or even Oreos or sprinkles or maybe Cheerios. So I'm going to start with my chopped nuts and go ahead and sprinkle those on top. There we go. And I'll do one more. There we go. Now I can move to my sprinkles. So I'll use some green sprinkles on this one. Maybe a little bit of purple. And I have some colorful sprinkles. Here, some blue. And maybe some green. All right. Once you have all of your bananas decorated, you can go ahead and put them in the freezer for about 2 hours until they're completely frozen. After freezing the banana pops, this is how they turned out. And here's a close-up view on one of the pops. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.